Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing this baby right here, and I got this in Vegas. So I already opened this and I want to share with you guys what's inside of this. I actually opened this already. I just tied it by the ribbon back, but it's hard to actually like open it, to untie this one. So let me just do this. Okay. Alright. So, and ta-da! This is how it looks like inside. And this is ta-da! This one, it's a chain wallet. It's called the Félicie Pochette. I think that's what it's called, Félicie Pochette. And I really love it. We're gonna close the box. So this is how it looks like. And when you open it, and then there's actually have a little there's a little like I don't know, maybe like a check. We can put a check or something like that in here, but there's a little pouch, and then there's like a card case, like not a card case, but like there's like this that you can put your cards and your bills. So there's like 8 card slots, and this is how it looks like inside. So there's also like a pocket here, or a compartment. Those are just the papers, something like that. Where are these? Oh yeah, okay. And also that, and there's a chain like this that you can use. And yeah, it's like that. You can also detach the chain and use it as a clutch. So if you don't want the chain, you can detach the chain, or you can put it inside and just use it as a clutch, like that. It's very pretty. It's neutral, and then you can wear it, you know, like you can match it with any of your outfit. And also you can put your phone inside as well. Yep. And you can have room for travel perfume, or you know, whatever. You still can put like whatever you can put in here, so there's still some room in there. And also, of course, you can use this as, you know, you can put some of your tissues here, or if you have a check, you can put your check here. So it's very handy. It's small, it's pretty, and I don't really like carrying like bigger bags nowadays, so I just use, you know, like chain wallets or clutch. You can either dress up or dress down with this chain wallet. It's really cute. So this is how thick it is on the side, like that, like that, and like that. If you guys like this video, and if you like this bag, this actually is always out of stock online, and when I went to the store in Vegas, this is the only one left. So I just grabbed it and, you know, like just bought it right away. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.